So what I've done is drilled into the frame here all the way down to the bottom. There's a beam that goes across here, got into there. The only ones that I had to put jack screws in was this up in the corner here into the wood. There's another beam right here. Down here there's another jack screw. So that's how it's mounted, with conduit cut down to 1/2 inch for spacing. Keeps it plenty cool back here. This is actually that's what's inside. Done all that tape work in there, moved the insulation back a good inch or more, and that tape is good to 400 degrees. And then this is your wall thimble. This is what sets the pipe in place. This hole here is cut bigger, and this one is at 4 inches. And that holds the pipe into place. Let's see, where's that screw? So yeah, that's what holds your pipe into place. I had to go a little bit bigger, about 4 1/8, just so I could get the elbow in a little easier, and the heat shield. So the heat shield takes up some room too, but the pipe actually rests up against the top here, so we're good on that. So that should be everything you need to know about the mounting. Oh yeah, these are the jack screws in the aluminum, not the door, in the aluminum. Let's see if I can show you right here. These are in the aluminum itself. This is what holds the Dickinson wood stove. So, hope I can answer some questions for you. And so far this has worked out really good. Haven't had any heat related issues other than changing over to the stainless. The other deck valve that I had. This is like UV protected ABS. Has a temperature of about 200 degrees. If it starts to melt, it'll put off toxic fumes. So that was a no-brainer. That had to go. The reason why I went this way was because your traditional wall thimbles, they're meant for like 6 inches or more. This is 1.5 inch, 2 inch door, if that. So you kind of got to get a little creative. So the main thing is just fireproofing the door, and this holds the pipe in place, keeps the heat from burning it up inside. That and the 400 degree tape for exhaust works out great. This is the cool tape that I've been running. That's what's inside the door.